I'm attorney Rob Levine, the heavy hitter, here in Chelsea, Massachusetts. As an attorney and boat owner, I understand how serious boating accidents can be. Did you know thousands of people are hurt every year due to an accident involving a boat or watercraft? Boat owners have a legal responsibility to exercise caution for passengers, swimmers, and others in their area. If you are injured by a boat or any watercraft, call me now at the number on your screen for a free consultation. I'm attorney Rob Levine, the heavy hitter, and I look forward to helping you get the money you deserve.